Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Life Vlog. Today's recipe is one of my favorite recipe. It's all time. Since my childhood, I love this recipe and it's super delicious. So this is Pav Bhaji. I'm sure many of you would have tried this recipe, but today I'm going to make this recipe as a street style. So let's get started and see the recipe. So for this we need some potatoes, carrots and some cauliflower, water, green peas and some seasoning, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. So first I'm going to cook a few vegetables to the pressure cooker. So here I've taken potatoes which have been cleaned, peeled and cut into many pieces. So I've taken 5 medium potatoes and 381 gram. And now I'm going to take carrots, which is 2 large carrots and 336 gram. And now add the green peas, 1 cup, which is 191 gram. So I calculated into grams as well. So cauliflower, it is 273 gram and one or you can say one small cauliflower. Now add salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, red Kashmiri chili 1 teaspoon and give a mix. Now add 2.5 cups of water. This is warm water, not the cold water, warm. And now, half more. Now give a good mix. And close the pressure cooker. And cook it for around 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Now you can open the pressure cooker and see the vegetables are cooked beautifully. And I'm going to give a small stir. Now I'm going to mash it with a potato masher. So make sure the vegetables are nice and soft. So mash the vegetables nicely, like that. Look at that. Now you can keep it aside. To make the Pav Bhaji Masala, I'm using this nice big large pan. So to this I'm going to add 100 grams of unsalted butter. So I'm trying to make the street style and I know what you guys all are thinking that, oh my god, this is too much butter. But don't worry, it's gonna taste really nice. Now to this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil or vegetable oil. Now add cumin seeds 2 teaspoons and give a quick stir. Once it cooked, I'm gonna add 3 large chopped onions, which is 129 gram, and give a good mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that, the color, very nice, very beautiful. Now add green chilies. So this is chopped green chilies and I've taken 5 green chilies. It's up to you what kind of spice level of yours, so you can add less spices, but I love spicy food, so I'm adding 3 green chilies. And now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste which is 2 tablespoons of each. So 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic. It's gonna give a very nice taste, and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. Now add chopped tomatoes, 2 large tomatoes, which is 222 grams, and now give a good mix. Now is the time to add all the seasonings. So we're gonna start with salt, 1.5 teaspoon, then Kashmiri red chili, which is 3 teaspoon, and Pav Bhaji Masala, 5 teaspoon. You can get this Pav Bhaji Masala at any Indian shop. It's very easily. And now add turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. And now give a good mix and cook it for a few minutes. Look at that, the color. It looks so yummy, so delicious itself. Now add chopped capsicum, which is 1 large capsicum and which is 123 gram. And give a good mix and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can add the cooked and mashed vegetables, which we have cooked earlier in it. And give a good mix and mix it really well. Now add water 1 cup and give a good mix. The Pav Bhaji masala is coming together beautifully. Now you use this masher again and mash the vegetables nicely. If you think that there is a big piece in this vegetable, so mash it. So once it is done, you need to cook it again for 4 or 5 minutes, and on a low, very low flame. Now add tamarind, 2 teaspoon to it. This will give you sweet and tangy flavor. You will love it, and give a good mix. And now garam masala, 1 or 2 teaspoon. And you know that we are Indians, and without the garam masala our food is incomplete, so we need it. And give a good mix. So I would like to give you a small tip that if you think that the masala is very thick, you always add a little bit more water, like warm water to it. And if you think the masalas, like if you think the salt or anything is lesser, so you can always add a little bit more into it. So Pav Bhaji masala is ready. Now let's toast the buns. So take a tawa and put 2 cubes of butter on it, and now cut the bun like that. Now spread the butter properly on the tawa or flat pan. Now place the buns on it like that. Now apply the butter on the top of the buns, like nicely. Oh, it's gonna taste nice, very delicious. So once it's cooked or nice golden color, so you can just flip it, and you look at that, it is cooked properly from this side, and now you flip it. So cook it from another side. So once it is done, you just take it out and serve. So here we go. This absolutely delicious street style Pav Bhaji masala is ready, and I enjoyed making this recipe and sharing this recipe with you guys. And I know it's very quick and easy to make if you're having friends over, of your family members, if you want to try something new or different. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how what you feel about it. Anything you want to see more recipes. I hope you all enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and please press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. See you next time. Bye bye.